With the rise of supply chain issues in recent years, optimizing your out-of-stock strategy has become top of mind for direct-to-consumer brands. So how exactly do you manage when your products go out of stock? Managing your out-of-stock inventory involves a lot of planning ahead. Do you anticipate that certain products will go out of stock soon? And on what timeline? Do you have comparable products that would make sense to swap to instead? How will you communicate out-of-stock products? How will you implement a discount or incentivize your customers who have a product that doesn't have a definitive restock date? We won't get into the nitty-gritty of your order processing settings today, but that is one of the first things you can look at when managing your strategy. Generally speaking, you have the options to 1. Process an order anyway, even if an item is out of stock, and fulfill it later. 2. Don't process an order. If an item is out of stock, set it to error and don't charge. And 3. Set up a middleware application to swap or remove an out-of-stock product from the order and process the rest of it. Once you've identified how you'd like orders to behave, communicating to your customers is the next thing to look at. The email or text notifications to your customers should be empathetic and clearly outline expectations on next steps. So here's the recap. First and foremost, plan ahead. Also, configure your order processing settings. Lastly, clearly communicate when an item is out of stock and what the customer should expect next. Dealing with customer inquiries after an item goes out of stock can create a lot of support debt, but getting ahead of it and having a plan can create a smooth and enjoyable experience for both you and the customer. Thanks so much for watching, and don't miss out on our other videos here.